If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Lyft account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the process to remove the hold and get back to using the service. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your ride history. Look at your recent ride history for any outstanding charges or disputes. If you notice any discrepancies, make a note of them as you may need to address these with Lyft support. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. Reach out to Lyft support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the option for billing issues. Provide them with details about your situation and any relevant information from your ride history. Step 4. Resolve any disputes. If there are any disputes regarding ride or charges, work with Lyft support to resolve them. They may require additional information or documentation from you to clear the hold. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After addressing the issue with support, wait for confirmation that the billing hold has been removed. You should receive a notification in the app or via email once the hold is lifted. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve any billing holds on your Lyft account. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer service for further assistance.